You can sort and filter data in Google Sheets to organize and analyze it. Highlight the group of cells you want to sort. To highlight everything, click the top left corner of the sheet. Click the Data menu, then select a sorting option. To alphabetize column A, select Sort Range by column A to Z. Filtering data hides results you don't want to see. Let's create a filter so we only see who picked choice A. Select the range you want to filter, then click the Create a Filter icon. At the top of your range, review your filter options by clicking the Filter icon. Remove the check marks next to the data you want to hide. In this case, we'll uncheck B and C. Now only the results with choice A can be seen.